I'm so excited to do this math with you for many reasons. One, I love to sing, and I have a song for this. Two, math is my favorite subject. I love math. So I hope that we have a lot of fun. But when we have fun, we have to remember that we still are learning, okay? So we can have fun while we're doing this, but we're also going to be showing Miss Kessler your attention the whole time. Thumbs up if you can do that. Totally. Okay. So in first grade, Miss Hartman and Miss Jang told me that you are experts at adding big numbers. So what we're going to be doing today is just addition with big numbers. Last year you did addition with numbers like 48 and 12, or 42 and 35, big numbers like that. Well, in second grade, we get bigger. We go all the way to the hundreds place, okay? Are you guys ready to do this? Awesome. So we have two different ways to show our adding with big numbers. One way is to use our base 10 block paper, okay? So I have my hundreds, I have my tens, I have my ones. Sometimes we need help doing addition, and this is the best way to do it, right? Other times, we need to do it by showing our work. And when we show our work in math, we always use numbers, okay? So, let's take a look at this example. What do you see in the hundreds place here? Because I drew a line, and that line means that below is a different number. So this base 10 block chart paper shows two different numbers. A number on the top and a number on the bottom. What is the number shown on the top? Mark.
It shows 300 threes and four tens and 8 ones.
So 300s, 4 10s, and 8 ones gives you a number. What is that number?
348.
Dust your shoulder off. Excellent. So I have 348 here written by showing my work, and 348 here on my chart paper using base 10 blocks. What do you think this number is down here? Summer.
31.
31. I have 3 10s and 1 1, and that is 31. So remember, I did it two ways. I showed my work here, and I put it on my base 10 block chart paper. Okay? So the first thing that any mathematician has to do when you're adding big numbers is to look at the ones. So I'm going to say something, and I want you to repeat it after me. Thumbs up if you can do that. Okay. Are you ready? Rule 1.
Rule 1.
Look at the ones.
Look at the ones.
Add the ones.
Add the ones.
8 ones.
8 ones.
Plus
Plus
1 ones.
1 ones.
Equals.
Equals 8.
Wait a second. So now I have 8 ones plus 1 ones. How do I find the answer to that? Yuki.
You add 1 to the 8, and you add the 8. You add 1. You add 1 to the 8.
And how many ones do I have now?
9.
I have 9 ones. So, are you ready to start that again? So you're going to repeat after me. It's kind of silly, but it's super fun because it kind of sounds cool. You ready? Rule 1.
Rule 1.
Look at the ones.
Look at the ones.
Add the ones.
Add the ones.
8 ones.
8 ones.
Plus
Plus
Rule 2.
Rule 2.
Look at the tens.
Look at the tens.
Add the tens.
Add the tens.
4 tens.
4 tens.
Plus
Plus
3 tens.
3 tens.
Equals.
Equals.
I have 4 tens plus 3 tens. Irene, what would that give me?
7
7 tens.
7 tens.
You ready to do it again? You
Yeah.
gotta start from the very beginning. Ready? Rule 1.
Rule 1.
Look at the ones.
Look at the ones.
Add the ones.
Add the ones.
8 ones.
8 ones.
Plus
Plus
1 1.
1 ones.
Equals
Equals
9 ones.
9 ones.
Rule 2.
Rule 2.
Look at the tens.
Look at the tens.
Add the tens.
Add the tens.
4 tens.
4 tens.
Plus
Plus
3 tens.
3 tens.
Equals
Equals
7 tens.
7 tens.
You guys are good. Okay. Am I done?
No.
Taylor's showing me this. She's saying, Miss Kessler, you're not done. And I'm not, because in 2nd grade we have such big numbers, we go all the way to the hundredths place. So, that means we have rule 3, right? The ones place first, then the tens place, now the hundredths place. Rule 3.
Rule 3.
Look at the hundreds.
Look at the 100.
Add the hundreds.
Add the 100.
300.
300.
Plus.
Plus
Sasha. 0 hundreds.
0 hundred.
Equals.
Equals
Samara.
300.
300.
300.
Alright, so now we have to go all the way to step 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Rule 1.
Rule 1.
Look at the ones.
Look at the ones.
Add the ones.
Add the ones.
8 ones.
8 ones.
Plus
Plus
1 1.
1 1.
Equals.
Equals
9 ones.
9 ones.
Rule 2.
Rule 2.
Look at the tens.
Look at the tens.
Add the tens.
Add the tens.
4 tens.
4 tens.
Plus
Plus
3 tens.
3 tens.
Equals
Equals
7 tens.
7 tens.
Rule 3.
Rule 3.
Look at the hundreds.
Look at the hundreds.
Add the hundreds.
Add the hundreds.
300.
300.
Plus
Plus
0 hundreds.
0 hundred.
Equals
Equals
300.
300.
So now I have to write that down, right? All of my equals. What number goes all the way to the left? The one in the hundreds, tens, or ones? Maya, which one goes all the way here? The hundreds. And it said we end up, right, equals to 300. Then what comes after the hundreds place? Medina.
10.
The tens, and it said we had 7 tens. And then what's the last number all the way to the right, Elise?
1.
The ones place, and it said that we had 9 ones. So we did it this way by looking at the base 10 block chart paper, but we also need to show our work. So we're going to do 348 plus 31, and we're going to add that up. We knew that 8 plus 1 gave us 9. We know that 4 plus 3 gives us 7. And we know that 3 plus 0 gives us 3. Does this answer match this answer? Totally. Guess what? You're going to work with the person sitting across from you, and you're going to be doing both the chart paper and the showing the work way. And if I say showing the work way, I feel like I'm taking a long time to say that. So I'm going to change it instead of showing the work way, I'm going to say the super smart second grader way. That might be longer, but it makes it sound so cool. So we're doing it the chart paper way and the super smart and the super smart second grader way. All right. On the chart paper where you're doing your work, you have the questions that you're going to answer. Your partner is going to show you how to answer it on the chart paper. All right. On the smart board, it tells you who